Be honest. How often have you spent hours reading scattered information, only to end up feeling like your brain is absolutely drowning? You're inefficiently jumping between a dozen tabs, a handful of tools, and endlessly scrolling through ChatGPT threads just to get one piece of work done. What if I told you that you're probably wasting a shocking 70% of your time on research synthesis, and one simple tool is about to change everything? As someone who constantly reviews every productivity hack and piece of software out there, I've found that Ponder has completely transformed my workflow. This isn't just another productivity app or AI note taker. It's a thinking space designed around how your brain actually works. Today, I'm taking you inside my process to show you how I use Ponder to turn information chaos into crystal clear insight, and how it has fundamentally changed the way I work. Ponder is the ultimate all-in-one workspace built for more than just collecting files and documents. Its purpose is to facilitate deep thought and help you uncover hidden connections. It visualizes everything on an infinite canvas, where ideas naturally branch out, connect, and evolve. It's time to break free from linear thinking and linear tools. Get a real, structured understanding instead of just fast, surface-level answers. Whether you're a student, a professional, a tech enthusiast, or just desperate to escape information overload, Ponder works perfectly in sync with your brain. Why you should use Ponder. Build insight from real sources. With Ponder, your journey isn't just about quick answers. It's about building genuine insight directly from your sources. Upload research papers, videos, or web links, then visually explore and connect them to deepen your understanding. A unified space for all your information. Say goodbye to toggling between 10 tabs. Ponder gives you a single, clean canvas where all your project resources live together in one place. AI that truly understands and collaborates. The built-in Ponder agent isn't just a chatbot. It's an intelligent thinking partner. It actively follows your thought process, suggests connections, spots gaps, questions assumptions, and keeps your ideas cohesive on the canvas. Structure your thoughts without limits. You can freely roam through ideas, then effortlessly transform them into structured outputs. PNG mind maps, full reports, or clean markdown notes for Notion, Obsidian, and more. Now, walk through the core features in detail, dashboard/modes. As you log in, you land on the Ponder dashboard. From here, you have two primary modes to start any new topic or question: Ponder mode and Chat mode. Ponder mode gives you a blank infinite canvas, perfect for freeform thinking or building deep knowledge maps. Chat mode helps you interact with the agent directly for fast, structured answers. In both modes, you can choose whether to pull information from the web, academic sources, or only from the files you've already uploaded. AI model selection. The most powerful tool here is the model selector. You choose which LLM you want Ponder to use, switching between different AIs depending on your task, instead of being stuck with one. Spaces. Your thinking hubs. Now, let's talk about the Ponder space. Think of a space as a container for a single project or topic. For example, evolution of AI. Inside this space, you add all your PDFs, links, YouTube videos, articles, and notes, all in one place. Resource import. To populate your space, hit Add Resources. Upload a PDF or DOC. Paste a YouTube URL. Add a web link. Or insert your own text notes. Everything appears neatly in your resource panel. Once all your resources are added, you can immediately begin a Ponder session from scratch, drawing directly from your curated files. Or, if you want to quickly build a structured map with interactive nodes, you can simply upload the files directly and start. Upload files and smart suggestions. When you upload different resources, Ponder automatically generates suggested questions and actions, giving you a head start on deeper understanding. Mind map generation and visual thinking. Now, here's where the magic happens. Instead of starting with a question, you can immediately generate a structured mind map using your uploaded resources. Click Mind Map, and Ponder organizes everything onto the canvas with interactive nodes. You can click on each node to expand, drag to rearrange, add sibling or child cards, change colors, trace back to original source, copy text. Ask AI to perform actions, AI on nodes. If you want to dive deeper into a specific node, click it and select Ask AI. You'll get quick actions like Simplify, makes the idea easier. Explain, goes deeper. Example, gives real-world analogies. Dive in, explores subtopics. These help you shape your thinking and refine your map interactively. Search and expand. Need more than just the web? Use Ponder Search to find academic papers. Search for AI evolution. You'll get relevant papers that you can add directly to the canvas or save into your space. Ponder Agent, your context-aware partner. Open the agent panel. It works right beside your canvas. You can ask the agent to analyze, summarize, debate, compare, break down complex ideas, because the agent understands the context of your canvas. Its responses know exactly what resources you've added. You can then save any answer as a new node in your mind map. Export and share. Once your map or insights are ready, share secret link or public link. Export mind map PNG or interactive HTML. Export report markdown or rich text. Perfect for Notion, Obsidian, documentation, or sharing with your team. Ponder is completely free to use. You get 20 AI credits per day, 5 uploads daily, up to 150 megabytes, and unlimited canvases. Perfect for testing Ponder or doing light research. When you need more power, you can purchase, with can always upgrade to other plans to unlock unlimited AI uses. Gives you 800 AI credits per month, unlimited basic AI use and uploads, and faster processing. Great for students or casual researchers. Try out Ponder, links in the description. Use it to stop managing chaos and start thinking clearly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. I've got more AI tool tutorials coming soon.